Welcome back to my channel, people. Alright, so working on the pedal board. Pretty much got it set up the way I need it. The issue I'm having is barely enough room for the headphone monitor. Hangs off a little bit. Might be able to get a little bit of real estate from tuner. But for now, just show you how to hook it up. It comes with these wires. Each one of these wires goes into one of the inputs. And it goes into whatever you're dealing with. Here's the power supply for the whole thing. Goes in this slot on the end over here. It says 9-volt DC. Alright, so as you can see, everything came to life. So that's it. Most likely I'll leave the wires out when I'm playing, I'll just plug them all in like that. Leave them out. Horrible. My other setup. Person. Everything seems to work. All the lights are on. Everybody's home. Now the question someone had was, will pedals fit in the gig bag while they're on the board? And they were talking mostly about Boss pedals. I have two Boss pedals. I have a Sans amp, and I have a Rolls headphone in-ear monitor system, all on the pedal board. So let's see if it fits in the gig bag. It was supplied. All right, so I'm just going to plug the power supply. Connection to my PA system. There. I need to go and get the gig bag in this corner over here. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the wires connected like that or I'm going to take them out. Let's see if it fits in there. I might have to take the one pedal off. Let's just see what we got here. I'm probably going to have to take off the headphone monitor pedal. I'll have to leave that out. Looks like. That's not a problem because I got another gig bag. So we got it closed with all the pedals except for the one that was sticking off the board like I had mentioned originally. I don't think that's going to be a problem because I'll just carry it separately. I have another bag I can put it in. But yeah, it all fits in the gig bag. All the pedals are on the board. Like I said, I had two Boss pedals, and that was the question that one of my subscribers asked. And I probably would just leave it in the gig bag and play it and use it like that, right in the gig bag. Just add that at the end, like that. It's really not going to be a big deal. Yeah. Yeah, see, I could still hook it up like that. Cable. Yep, everything comes to life while still in the bag. So that's going to be nice because then there'll be no cables on the floor. Everything will remain in the bag, in the gig bag for the show. And when I'm finished, All I got to do is unplug 2 lines and the power supply. I'm sure there won't be a problem getting the power supply in there. It looks like there was a lot of room for that towards the back, but not enough room for the, well, maybe. Hold on, my kids. It might fit in there. Maybe wrong. It might fit in there. It does fit in there. So the whole thing fits. So absolutely perfect. So this was the pedal board that I had given a short review on originally. And yeah, so everything fits in there, which is great, because that's what we wanted to know, if everything fit in there. Everything fits in there. I have 6 pedals, 2 of which are Boss pedals, and a Royce in-ear monitor system. All fits in the handy gig bag that was supplied. Company is spelled Kmise. It was like $70 on Amazon. Perfect. Doesn't weigh anything. This is aluminum. Get yourself